Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to add an embedded image into a fulfill engine white labeled web store, and also how to hyperlink that embedded image. So this is a white label store, and typically you would just get these category images, and so this is what we added, and this is going to take you to another web store which will have business cards, stickers, and the types of products that Fulfill Engine can't really handle very well. And so how we did this was from the store dashboard, you're going to scroll down to branding, go ahead and click on that, and then storefront messages is a tab where you want to be. And then homepage messages, if you click this pencil here, I'm going to take this code and I'm going to put it in the description, and everything that needs to be replaced will be X's. So the way that this code works is this href line here. This is going to be the URL where you are pointing this image to. This second section here, this image source, this is going to be where you're hosting that actual image. So this graphic here, I just hosted on our WordPress site, just because it's an easy place to upload an image and then get a URL that you could then plug into this section of the code here. There's also some other websites out there that will host images for free if you don't have a WordPress site that you could just dump images onto. Down here, this alt, this is going to be the alternative text in case the image can't load, at least the text will. So in this case, we would click here to order more branded products. And that's it. So again, I'll take this code and I will put it in the description. That way it can just be copied and pasted into this section here. Once you have it set up the way that you'd like, go ahead and hit set homepage message. And just to show you how it works over here, this isn't going to the correct page at the moment. It's just a placeholder, but if you do click on it, it takes you to a completely different page. And that's it. Thanks for watching.